Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with the Shoulder Flex by ProStretch and Medi-Dyne. So it's actually called the ProStretch Shoulder Flex by Medi-Dyne. I did another video on that. I did a product review. Please check that video out. All right. Now, a couple of people commented on it. If I could show you using it on the right side. So I'm going to show you how to use this on the right and left side. So the Medi-Dyne, it comes in a couple of different pieces, right? You put these two together. And then once you have this together, you then take this, place it over the top. Now, depending on your forearm length, you'll extend that either in or out. Now, let's go ahead and I'm going to use my right shoulder. I'm going to put it in through here and grab onto this. Now I'm going to extend it. I got kind of long arms. I'm 6'1", so it gives you an idea. Now, you'll notice I'm in and my elbow kind of goes out at an angle out. You can move it in like this or out like that. If you move it out, you're going to get a deeper stretch, okay? Now, when you do set this up, I want to be clear about this. When you're putting all this together, fresh out of the box, you're going to want to make sure that the bar here is going across your body. So when you go to put your hand in through here, you want to make sure this bar comes across your body here for the first stretch. So we're going to go ahead and set it up for the first stretch, and I'm going to show you how to easily switch from right to left. So we put the arm through and we grab onto the handle. Again, you can move this up and down and in and out. So we're going to move it to an easier stretch like that. So now when I do this, it's an easier stretch, right? So this is a lighter stretch, abduction, but to make it more intense, I can bring this out by pushing this red button, bring it out. Now we're starting at a more externally rotated position. And we go ahead, and that's just going to give me a bit of a deeper stretch. Okay, so that's the right arm. Okay, and you'll notice the handlebar is facing down. The bar here is across my body here, okay? And I stick my hand through here and I grab on. That's the right arm. Now, to flip it over and do the left shoulder, it's really simple. You're going to literally pull your arm out. You're going to flip this over. So this bar is going across your body, right? Right here. And then you're going to pull this handle because it's facing up. We want to flip it over. So we're just going to pull it out, flip it over completely. So the handle's facing in. Now you can flip it this way, or if you want to get a deeper stretch, you can just turn it around. So before it was like this on the right shoulder, you don't have to do this and flip it over. You can also just turn it over so the handlebar is facing down. And that's the easiest way, right? And then I got the bar across from me. I'm going to put my arm through this hole here and grab on to the handle. Now, if I want to get a deeper stretch, I can just move this, press the button, and move this out further. You see I'm starting at a further position. This is not the only stretch for this device. There are three main stretches. There's this one, abduction. There's adduction this way, but I implore you to check out my first video on how to do those three different stretches. This video is just to show you how to switch from left to right. So again, we're going to make it easy. So this is on the left side. To switch it over to the right, we're going to literally flip it over. You're going to pull this piece out and flip it down and turn the handlebar down. And then you're ready for the right shoulder. Then again, to flip it back over to the left, we're going to flip this over. Then we're going to take this and turn the handlebar down on the end. And literally, you're now ready for the left. It's that easy, switching from right to left. This is the ProStretch Shoulder Flex by Medi-Dyne. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you check out that other video, the original video on all the different stretches that we recommend with this shoulder stretch or ProStretch Shoulder Flex. It's a tongue twister. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.